Making money as an affiliate is one of the best ways to build a solid internet business and achieve the freedom you so desire. But how to do it right? How to make consistent profits with this business? That's what you'll see in this video, so let's get down to business. With affiliate marketing, you make money by referring people to the products they need. Some affiliates use their social media profiles or YouTube channels to share products with potential buyers. However, the most common and effective way to get people in front of your affiliate products is to have your own website. With a website, you can publish high-quality content that attracts visitors and motivates them to continue to the product's website to complete their purchase. The key to getting results from your content is to produce a mix of both informational and promotional material. If all you do is promote one affiliate offer after another, your audience will be less likely to take your recommendations seriously, and you minimize your chances of getting the attention of Google and Google traffic, which is needed for long-term success. Instead, you want to focus more of your efforts on providing value to your readers. Over time, this will help you build trust and a connection with your audience. It will also allow you to position yourself as an expert in your industry. As your reputation grows, new and returning visitors will head to your site when they have a question or need guidance related to the topics that you cover. So how do you approach creating both informational and marketing content for your site? I recommend creating around 70% informational content and 30% affiliate marketing content. This ratio will ensure that you have enough content to build authority while still having enough marketing assets to make money on your affiliate offers. For your informational content, it is good practice to make the most of it evergreen, meaning that it will remain relevant over a long time and will not require frequent updating. The most common type of educational content is how-to posts that give readers a step-by-step process for performing a specific task. For your affiliate marketing content, there are several ways to create content centered around your affiliate products. One of the most common types of affiliate content is product reviews. With these, you give readers a detailed breakdown of everything they need to know about a product of which you are an affiliate. When you write product reviews, the content must be truly helpful to readers. Google recently updated how it ranks product reviews to prioritize the content that is the most informative. This means that instead of just giving surface-level details, you should share any first-hand insights that you have, and don't shy away from diving into the weaknesses of a product. Doing so will make the content seem objective while also showing that you have experience with the product. As you enrich your website with high-quality content, you'll need to devise a strategy for driving people to your site to click your affiliate links and ultimately make purchases. There are several ways to get visitors to your site. The best of these traffic sources is search traffic from Google and other search engines. The reason traffic from Google is so valuable is that it allows you to focus on a highly targeted group of people. You ultimately need people to make purchases if you want to earn any money, so you don't want random or uninterested people on your site. With Google Search, you know exactly what someone is looking for, and can create content that targets the people that are interested in your products. Keep in mind that not all keywords are the same. While you want to target search terms with high search volume, you also want to ensure that the keywords have purchase intent and are not just general queries. For example, someone who makes a simple search for "what is a web hosting platform" is likely seeking information and is not ready to make a purchase. The keywords you want to focus on are those with commercial and transactional intent. After you've honed in on good keyword targets, your next focus is to choose the products you want to promote. The first is to promote affiliate products with consistent demand. The thought behind this is simple. You need to promote products that people are searching for if you hope to generate sales from your marketing efforts. When you are creating your plan to get targeted traffic, you will naturally get an idea of the types of products people are searching for. The process will also expose you to specific solutions and brands so that you know the top options in your niche. While looking for products with an active interest, keep an eye on the level of competition in the niche. The more competitive the keywords are for certain types of products, the harder it will be for you to rank and drive traffic to your site. The ideal balance is products with strong demand and a manageable amount of competition. One way to understand the demand for a particular niche is to use Google Trends. With the platform, you can see how interest in specific keywords and topics is changing over time. This way, you can ensure that any products you are considering have consistent interest and are more than a fleeting trend. Congratulations on getting this far. Leaving your thumbs up will help me a lot to know if you like the content and also in channel engagement. Let's go straight to the point. In addition to marketing actively searched products, you must promote products that sell. By this, I mean promoting products with a high conversion rate. Conversion rate is a metric that measures the percentage of people that complete a purchase after seeing your products. A high conversion rate means you are drawing maximum value from your web traffic. When searching for high converting products, start by identifying the best solutions in your market. High-quality products from trustworthy brands will naturally perform better than those that aren't as good. Price is another important factor that you'll need to consider. Generally, lower-priced products convert at a higher rate than more expensive ones. The nature of a product will also affect how well it converts. If you promote commodity items, you can expect higher conversion rates. On the other hand, if you promote high-consideration products that buyers want to thoroughly evaluate before making a decision, you may experience lower conversions. High-converting products will help you make money with affiliate marketing, but it is also important to promote products that pay high commissions. If you earn higher commissions for each order, you need fewer sales to hit your income goals. To put this in perspective, let's review a couple of different scenarios. In the first instance, you promote common consumer goods from Amazon that cost between $10 and $20. The affiliate program pays a 5% commission per sale, so you'll get 50 cents to $1 per sale. If you were to convert 10% of your traffic, it would take 10 visitors to make $1 and 1,000 visitors to make $100. Now compare this to an affiliate program where you promote a $100 product and earn 50% or $50 per sale. With this offer, you only need 2 sales to make $100. This means that you could convert 1% of your traffic and it would only take 200 visitors to make $100. 3 key factors will determine your level of affiliate commissions: product price, commission rates, and recurring payments. In nearly every affiliate program, the product's sales price will affect how much you earn for each sale. This is because most programs pay you a percentage of each sale. Others pay a fixed amount that is reflective of the item's price and the potential lifetime value of the customer. For example, the Shopify affiliate program will pay you 2 times the subscriber's first monthly fee. The commission rate is the percentage of the product's price that you earn when you make a sale. It can have a huge impact on how much money you make with affiliate marketing. 2 different affiliate programs could contain $100 products, but if one gives 50% commissions and the other 10%, then one is much more profitable than the other. Some of the best high-ticket affiliate programs pay recurring commissions for revenue generated over time. These are often products that have some form of ongoing subscription, like a web hosting plan or other software services. Affiliate products with recurring commissions can be some of the highest paying, as they allow you to maximize the value of each buyer. Affiliate links are how you earn money for sales. When a customer buys an affiliate product after clicking your link, the affiliate merchant will credit you with the sale and pay you the appropriate commission as agreed upon in the program details. So, the best products won't do much good if no one clicks your affiliate links. This is why it is important to optimize your link placements to maximize the number of people that click them. Now, this doesn't mean you should throw links anywhere and everywhere throughout your content. You only want to add links where they are appropriate and shouldn't include them when they don't fit into your content. Adding too many links can negatively impact the user experience, which in turn can lead to lost sales. As a general rule, you want to place your links early in your content. Many people won't make it to the end of your posts, and others might skim over the details along the way. By adding your links to the beginning of your content, you increase the chances that more people see them. Here are some other tips on how to optimize your affiliate links. The majority of your affiliate link placements will be contextual links. These are URL hyperlinks added to the specific text within the body of your content. The best place to add these links depends on the type of article you are writing. For example, if you are writing a product review, you can add an affiliate link to the first mention of the product name. For a listicle comparison analyzing 10 different products, you can add an affiliate link to each product in the corresponding header. If the content is one of your promotional posts, you can also explore adding a more direct call to action with the link. Contextual links are generally the best for driving sales, but it can be useful to include other types of links as well. Banners give you a way to add visually appealing graphics that catch your visitors' attention. You can place them on your sidebar or in the middle of your posts. Many affiliate programs come with banners and other ready-made marketing assets, so you don't have to worry about designing them yourself. A resources page displays a list of various tools that are relevant to your audience. After you have established yourself as an authority in your industry, these pages can be an effective way to direct your readers to your affiliate offers. For each tool, you can include your affiliate link and a brief explanation of what the tool does and why you recommend it. Another effective way to use your affiliate links is to add them to your email marketing messages. With your email campaigns, you should follow the same principle of mixing informational and promotional messages. Add an email subscription to your website and start sending regular emails to your subscribers. Like the content that you post, the more useful information you provide in these messages, the more trust you will build with your audience. After you've established trust with your subscribers, you can then send them the occasional affiliate marketing message. By making the adjustments, you will be well on your way to having a profitable medium to long-term internet business. How much money you can make with affiliate marketing depends on the quality of your website and the niche you enter. Successful affiliates can make over $1,000 per day, and some of the best pull in over $100,000 each month. There are other videos similar to this one on how to make money online. Just click on the card pinned above. This video took a lot of work to make, so giving it a thumbs up doesn't cost anything, does it? Thank you for making it this far. If you are new, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. As I am starting this project now, the number of people arriving here is very low, so I am counting on you to make this channel grow. Having your subscription is very important for the growth of this community, so thank you very much for your subscription. That's it for today, see you soon.